Hello, my name is Stacey Brook and I'm the founder and chief advisor at College Essay Advisors. And today I'm going to talk to you about the Coalition Applications Prompt Number 1. Prompt number 1 reads, tell a story from your life describing an experience that either demonstrates your character or helped to shape it. As a launch point for an essay, prompt number 1 leaves your options wide open. It should be a good fit for any tale that helps describe or demonstrate your character, which honestly should be a characteristic of any essay you're submitting for the personal statement. Some questions you might want to ask yourself as you think about how to respond to this prompt. How do you define yourself? What characteristics form the foundation of your personality? Are you generous and thoughtful, gutsy, resilient, funny? Think about the most memorable moments in your life, the stories that come up over and over again, the moments that make you the most proud. Maybe your talkative approach at a science fair and the reaction it elicited from both the judges and your fellow competitors made you see the value of being unabashedly gregarious. Perhaps a particularly boring summer in your neighborhood inspired you to create a game that included all of the kids on your block. What do these stories say about you and the lens through which you see the world? One last thing to note about choosing this prompt is that while it is fairly broad, it is asking you to specifically describe an experience. So if the idea you have is related to character but doesn't describe a specific event or experience, you might want to choose a different prompt. Don't worry, more options are coming.